to be what I want, and that is the villain. Hear me out. Unlike heroes who only want to save the day and do good things, villains are far more interesting. Their ideologies are what makes them special, and they are vastly misunderstood. Take Dio Brado for example, an anime character from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. He was raised from an abusive father, and he tried to be more good and nice, but it's not for him. I like him more because unlike the other heroes who wants to kill evil and villains in general, villains on the other hand avenge their persecuted loved ones, seek justice and rule the world. Taking over the whole world is not on the law, but that doesn't make them evil. Being a villain doesn't make them bad. Since I was a kid, I always find myself siding with the villains more than the heroes. I always wondered why I like the villains more, and I think it may be because when they get on the floor, down on their knees for her and only her, something in me stirs. A hero would sacrifice her to save the world, showing that they are indeed pure-hearted and honest, but the villain would tear the world apart if she was hurt. That is a promise. They seem selfish, manipulative, and rude to everyone around, but he treats her like a queen, his and only his, sitting beside him on a throne around.
Wattpad na to.
I think the villains are misjudged, and that most of the time, we don't get to see their story. For if we knew it, the hero may not seem so full of glory. Monsters are made, not born, and any soul tortured, confused, and abused incidentally would not have time to mourn. So the next time I defend the villain of the tale, remember that they too were once broken and frail.